Hey guys, I'm happy that you are here. My name is Betchoy, and for today's video ay meron akong i-share sa inyo na isang gardening chore na isa talaga sa pinaka-importanteng ginagawa natin dito sa ating garden. These are our propagations. So yun yung sinishare ko sa inyo guys. Isa sa mga pinaka-importante na ginagawa natin dito sa ating garden ay ang pag-propagate. So yung una ipapakita ko sa inyo, meron tayo ditong about 6 cuttings ng ating Gloriosum tricolor. And ipapakita ko din sa inyo yung ating mga ugat guys. Yan. Ang gaganda ng mga ugat ng ating Gloriosum tricolor. And kitang-kita natin yung mga magagandang qualities ng ating Gloriosum na mga propagations dito. So this one, this is another philodendron naman natin, and this is our Scarlet Princess with color pink. So meron din isa pang Scarlet Princess na mostly mga color white naman yung kanyang binibigay na kulay. So next natin ay ang ating Philodendron Pitbull. So this is a hybrid guys. Pitbull is Florida Beauty and Paraiso Verde. So napakagandang mga brown and orange na mga colors yung makikita natin dito. Next is another very beautiful and very colorful natin, PPP Tricolor, or also known as Fire Princess. Napakagandang color combination natin guys. May mga color orange, may mga color pink, may color green, and nagbibigay din ito ng mga color white na mga variegations. This is our Philodendron FMY crossed with a Black Bilite, or also known as Solaris. So napakagandang kulay din yung makikita natin dito guys. And even the underleaf, kitang-kita natin yung mga color pink na mga variegations. So these are mga top cut na natin or mga side shoot ng mga propagations natin guys. Next is another Philodendron na hybrid. So this is called as a four-way cross guys, kasi yung kanyang dalawang parent plants ay dalawang hybrids din. So this is a product of FMY and Pitbull. Yan, napakagandang kulay din yung makikita natin dito guys. Color brown, napakalaking mga dahon na for this propagation natin. Yan, nagko-color bronze pa yan. And next natin, meron tayong dalawang cuttings ng ating Philodendron White Knight Pink Marble. Very consistent at napakagandang mga marble variegations yung makikita natin dito sa ating White Knight Marble. This is another Philodendron hybrid guys, and actually we have done an episode of this one, yung medyo mas malaking pot nito. This is a cutting of our Philodendron Pink Nangaritense, or also called as our Florida Beauty Cross with the Nangaritense. So sa ngayon guys, hindi pa natin masyado makita yung mga magagandang kulay for our Pink Nangaritense, but I'm very sure ay mapapalabas din natin yan later on. Yan, meron tayong pa-unfurl na next na dahon. And this is our last na cutting for today. This is our Philodendron Fiora. Yan, napakagandang pot na napakagandang cutting ng ating Philodendron Fiora guys. Notice how beautiful the marble variegation is. Ito talaga yung magandang quality ng variegations guys, yung mga marble. And take a look at the underleaf natin guys. Yan, pink na pink talaga yung kanyang pinapakita na kulay dito. And tignan nyo yung ating ugat. It's very ugating talaga. It's giving ugat talaga. And take note na lang din natin guys, Fiora actually comes in different forms. So merong Fiora na wide and broad form. So this is our second form, which is the narrow form naman. So that's it guys, and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating episode.